Do you like to eat pasta with your hands? No, I don't like to eat pasta with my hands. Do you like to eat pasta with chopsticks? No, I don't like to eat pasta with chopsticks. What do you like to eat pasta with? I like to eat pasta with a fork. Do you eat dinner every day? Yes, I eat dinner every day. Do you like to eat a slice of pizza for dinner? Yes, I like to eat a slice of pizza for dinner. What do you like to eat for dinner? I like to eat a slice of pizza for dinner. Is pizza heavy food or light food? Pizza is heavy food. Do you like to eat a lot of heavy food after you get up in the morning? No, I don't like to eat a lot of heavy food after I get up in the morning. Do you like to eat light food after you get up in the morning? Yes, I like to eat light food after I get up in the morning. What food do you like to eat in the morning? I like to eat light food in the morning. Is a cheese sandwich with orange juice heavy breakfast? No, a cheese sandwich with orange juice isn't heavy breakfast. Is a cheese sandwich with orange juice light breakfast? Yes, a cheese sandwich with orange juice is light breakfast. Are 5 slices of pizza light dinner? No, 5 slices of pizza aren't light dinner. Are 5 slices of pizza heavy dinner? Yes, 5 slices of pizza are heavy dinner. Do you like light breakfast or heavy breakfast? I like light breakfast. What time do you get up in the morning? I get up at 6:30 in the morning. Do you like to drink a cup of coffee in the morning? Yes, I like to drink a cup of coffee in the morning. Do you like to drink coffee with milk? Yes, I like to drink coffee with milk. What time do you go to bed? I go to bed at 11 p.m. Do you like to eat a lot of heavy food before you go to bed? No, I don't like to eat a lot of heavy food before I go to bed. To learn. To learn. A language. A language. Monday. Monday. Tuesday. Tuesday. Wednesday. Wednesday. Thursday. 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 Friday. Friday. Saturday. Saturday. Sunday. Sunday. Monday through Friday. Monday through Friday. A week. A week. Work. Work. Go to work. Go to work. A day. A day. School. School. Go to school. Go to school. Home. Home. Go home. Go home. At. At. At school. At school. At work. At work. At home. At home. Which. Which. To. To. I go to work. I go to work. To learn. To learn. A language. A language. Monday. Monday. Tuesday. Tuesday. Wednesday. Wednesday. Thursday. 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 Friday. Friday. Saturday. Saturday. Sunday. Sunday. Monday through Friday. Monday through Friday. A week. A week. Work. Work. Go to work. Go to work. A day. A day. School. School. Go to school. Go to school. Home. Home. Go home. Go home. At. At. At school. At school. At work. At work. At home. At home. Which. Which. To. To. I go to work. I go to work. Do you go to work on Monday? Yes, I go to work on Monday. Do you like to go to work on Monday? Yes, I like to go to work on Monday. Do you go to work on Tuesday? Yes, I go to work on Tuesday. Do you go to work Monday through Friday? Yes, I go to work Monday through Friday. Do you go to work on Saturday and Sunday? No, I don't go to work on Saturday and Sunday. On which days do you go to work? I go to work Monday through Friday. Do you learn English or Arabic? I learn English. Do you learn Chinese? No, I don't learn Chinese. Which language do you learn? I learn English. Are there 5 days in a week? No, there aren't 5 days in a week. There are 7 days in a week. Are there 20 days in a week? No, there aren't 20 days in a week. There are 7 days in a week. How many days are there in a week? There are 7 days in a week. What are they? They are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Do you like to go to work Monday through Friday? Yes, I like to go to work Monday through Friday. Do you go to school Monday through Friday? No, I don't go to school Monday through Friday. I go to work. Where do you go Monday through Friday? I go to work Monday through Friday. Do you like to go to work on Saturday and Sunday? No, I don't like to go to work on Saturday and Sunday. Do you work at night? No, I don't work at night. Do you sleep at night? Yes, I sleep at night. Do you sleep at work? No, I don't sleep at work. Do you sleep at school? No, I don't sleep at school. Do you sleep at home? Yes, I sleep at home. Where do you sleep? I sleep at home. Do you like to sleep in bed? Yes, I like to sleep in bed. Do you go to work before you get up or after you get up? I go to work after I get up. What time do you go to work Monday through Friday? I go to work at 9 a.m. Monday through Friday. What time do you go home Monday through Friday? I go home at 8 p.m. Monday through Friday. Do you eat your lunch at work or at home? I eat my lunch at work. What do you eat for lunch? I eat pasta and salad for lunch. Do you like to eat sushi for lunch? Yes, I like to eat sushi for lunch. Do you like to eat meat pie with apple juice for dinner? Yes, I like to eat meat pie with apple juice for dinner.